When I arrive at work, I start by taking a coffee and then I take another one. Hello, my name is Gaetano, but my colleagues also call me Gaetano in Brussels and Gaetano in Ghent. I have been working as an engineer at Tractebel for 6 years. Before becoming an engineer, I wanted to be maybe a bricklayer. When I was a child, my hero was definitely Zorro. When I explain my job, people usually think I'm going to the moon, but actually I'm just calculating the thickness of insulation on buildings. I decided to join Tractebel to design sustainable buildings. Being an engineer at Tractebel means having challenges every day. The best place in the office is the top floor. I sometimes take a break to enjoy the view there. What I love the most about my job is to find new energy concepts, and in real life is not so easy. I work in a team of international people and I love working with them because they give me every day new perspective. The projects I work on are challenging, interesting, and sometimes very hard. My biggest challenge was to design a zero-energy building since I joined Tractebel. We must take care of our planet because it's our home. I believe that changing our lifestyles and reconnecting with nature are important to take care of our planet. On a desert island, I would take my swimming suit, but especially my girlfriend, because I need some company. One thing that my colleagues don't know about me is that I'm actually quite good in the kitchen and my pizza is the best. I'm proud of what I do because I believe it's a positive contribute to the planet. That's all, so let me leave you with one thought, my work philosophy. La pazienza è la virtù dei forti.